Oh, so ayan guys, kung makikita nyo yung daan na yun, doon kami dumaan kanina, ang taas, no. Nandito na kami sa tuk-tuk. Sa tuk-tuk, nandito na tayo sa as. So yan yung falls na pumunta kami sa likod. Oh my God, ang ganda. There you are. Si David nag-video din. Si David nagbablog na yan. Look at this. Can you see that? Can you see? It's the falls. Amazing. Woo, look at this. My cool vlogger here. My cool vlogger. So we are higher now. Ha? Doon pala nanggagaling yung ano, oh. Tubig. Ganda, sobra. So we're higher now. We are higher than. Oh my God, it's scary. It's not scary, but it's. Huh? Yeah. Wow. Wow, wow. Ganda. Look, may upuan dito. Ah, this is going at the. So pretty.
You can do best at the top.
Pretty, look at this. We're going behind on the top of the falls. Pepper. Ang ganda pati kasi, oh, it's autumn. Kaya ang ganda ng kulay ng mga dahon. Gosh. May tulay doon kung saan nanggagaling yung falls kanina na pinunta namin ni David. Okay, ang ganda. Oh, grabe. Yung Peanut, don't drag me because I'm going to slide. Just walk, baby. Just walk. Okay. Baka ako'y ma-slide. Si Peanut, hinihila ako. So, yan. Wow. Wow. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa tuk-tuk na kung saan nanggagaling yung falls. There you are. Agad si Peanut kasi hinihila ako. So dito nanggagaling yung falls. Dito nanggagaling. Ayan. Pag nalaglag ang cellphone ko dito, wala nang ligtas. Wow. This is where the falls begin.
Well, I'm saying this competes with Yosemite Falls.
It is.
So that's something else.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you stay there. I'll take a picture. You stay. Stay, Peppa. So yan, aakyat pa tayo. Wow. So doon kami nang galing kanina. Oh my God. Nahihilabot yung aking kalamnan kasi ang taas eh. Yan, nandoon kami kanina doon.